Today I'm going to review my new Chromebook Plus V2. This is latest Chromebook released in 2018, and it has the Intel 7th generation M3 processor. And let me tell you, my experience so far is really good. I mean, it's very much smooth. It has a faster browsing experience and boots very fast. And I'm really happy. And compared to my Mac and Windows laptop, I really loved it. So now coming back to some basics of Chromebooks, like people generally think that Chromebook is only for browsing, but this from the last year Google has changed the game completely. Now Chromebook has Linux. So whatever you are seeing, it's a Chrome browser. So you go to settings, but when you go to here, you see something called Linux beta. You can learn that. So basically, all the Linux tool, everything is here. You can do it. So there's a launcher like Mac. You can all the apps in the Chromebooks you can see. It's a very smooth multi-touch keyboard, and it has a mission control. It has a mission control. So you I'll show you the mission control in few minutes. But before that, so the way you can launch a Linux app is basically click that, and it will bring you to the terminal window where you can exactly the way you work in a Linux you can do. You can install any program like Java for your programming, and you can, it's a JDK 8 has been installed, so it's a full-fledged OS. Understand this. So Chromebooks follows a sandbox feature, right? So basically what does it mean is that that means is basically sandbox meaning is that the programs cannot interfere with each other. So any Chrome OS application cannot interfere with another Chrome OS applications. So that's the fundamentals of Chrome OS design. But what happens now? They introduce Linux, so that means there are two OS. It's a dual boot. It's running in parallel. But Google is saying is that the feature we have in Chrome OS, like one application cannot interfere with others, that's not true in Linux. So when you install any application within Linux, or you any Linux app you install, there is a potential that they can interfere with each other. So I mean, that's how you work in a Linux environment. So that's nothing new. So as a programmer or as a developer, when you enable Linux in your Chromebook, you know what you are doing. That's the expectations. But it's a great feature. I think after having the combination of Linux and the Chrome OS, I don't think in future anyone is going to choose any other laptop. So I mean, it is completely beneficial for the developers, and of course for the students, Chrome OS is always the best option. So I'll give thumbs up, and my rating will be 4.5 out of 5. I just deducted zero point 0.5 because the laptop has everything but does not have a backlit keyboard. I hope Samsung would have done that. I would have really happy, but the battery and everything wise, and Chrome OS is constantly improving. It's really thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye.